Hi Eloise, what are you doing?
I am painting the devil.
Which character in the play has painted this?
Fabian. And he's also done this one as well. But I think we need to work on making her look a little less smooth-faced.
So that's Olivia. So you've painted Steve. You can talk a little bit about that. This is Steve Peck, the actor who plays the devil.
Yeah.
Being portrayed as the devil.
Yeah. So it's not looking great so far, but eventually it just needs a few more layers over the top. Thinking of him looking a bit more like it's kind of cracked, like blood underneath. This looks really bad, but eventually it'll look like he's sort of posing with two bums and just being like, oh, so fabulous. Which of course would make the devil pretty angry in the story. But yeah, so